Welcome to the channel and thank you for joining in. Today I'm bringing a company that I think, even though it's not in the three sectors and industry that we've been focusing on for a while, and it's still growth stock. It's still stocks that can give us a good return on our investment. I'm talking about Sofi, SOFI, Sofi Technology. This company is like a financial, an online bank, an online financial bank that it carries people's like student loan, like mortgages and all stuff like that. Because this bank is still a growth stock, which means still a small cap stock. So the room for it to grow is still very much high. And I will be bringing some of the stock that I think is going to be give us a good return, even though it might be a little bit out of our usual three sectors that we really focus on. But this company also can give us a good return. Who really cares whichever way your money comes, as long as you make that money? Nobody really cares what sector does it come from. So I'm bringing, from time to time, bringing some companies, that are kind of outside the three sectors that we have identified. So today I'm bringing Sofi Technology. So Sofi Technology, like I said earlier, is like online banking financial, company. They carry mortgages and student loan, essentially student loan. And I don't know if you might have kind of heard or experienced it in the past year and a half, where student loan kind of put off by the federal government, by the government, for people to kind of stop paying it for temporarily, the student loan. So now everybody has started paying student loan back, and we can see the stock of this company kind of start turning around. And because it start to turn around, and also because it's a growth stock, that is why I'm bringing this to us, for us to kind of look into it and do our research on Sofi. Now, the potential for it is high. It's high because it has been turning green and green lately, and the expectation and the analysts believe it could only even go even higher. So let me kind of show us what I'm talking about Sofi. So if you look at Sofi right now, it's at 808. I believe one time it was like 6, but now it's coming up. It actually went up today as 5.48. So it went up today, and if you look at it, it started the day up with 769, and it found its way all the way up to 808. So what is Sofi? Sofi is okay. Let me read this right quickly. So Sofi Technologies Inc. is an American online personal finance company and online bank based in San Francisco. Sofi previously financial products include student loan, like I've said earlier, refinancing and mortgages and personal loan, credit card and investment. So it's a financial institution, and because it carries student loan, it even make it a long-term investment company. That the chances of it getting higher and getting a good return is high. And if you look at what the analysts kind of say about it, they were talking about, is it a sell or a hold or a buy? If you look at out of the 16 analyst rating, 4 said it's a buy, it's a buy, a worth buying, and 8 said hold your position, don't sell, just hold on to it, because there's a good potential in Sofi. And also 4 said sell. But if you look at the forecast for Sofi, It should be around now. It should be around $9 13 cents. So he has about 13% upside opportunity because right now it is actually 80808. So if we look at SoFi, there is opportunity there. There is opportunity there, and that is why I am bringing it, bringing it up to us, for us to legislate, to let us see it. If we go back and look at the these 5 days, 5 days kind of zigzag is 6% up in 5 days. It is 2% down from a month ago. And if you look at 6 months, it's 10%. If you look at a year, it's 16%. So if you look at year now, it's actually gone up 17%. So it is on its way up, and that is why before we have to kind of position ourselves to make sure that we are well positioned so that we can rise with this company going up. The market cap is actually 7.8 billion. So it's a small cap company, and I believe it's worthy for us to look at it as now. And the high of it, I think it was $23, actually 25.14, and that was in 2021. 25.14 in 2021. So I'm just bringing it to us for us to kind of look at it and see what potential that it has for us to be able to invest in all this growth stock company. Once the economy start turning around and things start looking up, right, it start changing from red to green, we have to position ourselves and make sure that we are in it, so that we can raise, we can go up with the race. So I'm bringing it, and for us to actually look at it and do our diligent research. I cannot tell you what to do, but I can kind of bring in from time to time all these companies that we can look at and see the possibility of us investing in it. Now, if we look at this year, we are expecting that, hoping that by the second half of this year, the Fed, will start cutting rate, and once they start cutting rate, everything seems to we probably start turning green, and with the beginning of hopefully by next year, beginning of a bull run, which will last for few years, 5 years, even sometimes up to 10 years of bull run. So it's an encouragement for us to look into it, and for us to be able to position ourselves. If this is your first time on this channel, I want you to subscribe and share this video, so that we can all rub minds and we can all learn from each other. Comment on this video so that I can kind of feel your own impact too. Nobody knows it all, but we all seems to know it all. Thank you for coming in. Until I see you in the next video, have a wonderful day.